this nonsense for polygon? Okay. Here's what I want you to know about polygon. You ready? A polygon is a shape. That's it. Polygon is a shape. Now, technically, I should be a little bit more specific than that, but here's what you need to know. When I ask you what is a polygon, I would love it if you would just tell me, oh, it's a shape. It is a closed shape. It does have to be closed. Like there can't be like gaps in it. And it has to have straight sides. No curves. Okay? A closed shape with straight sides. So anything you draw that has all of its sides straight, something like that, that's a polygon right there. Okay? All of those are types of polygons. So if you copy down the definition of polygon out of a textbook and it looked crazy like this, what I want you to know is it's a closed shape with straight sides. Okay? And again, you could draw anything. Like I just drew this one. You could draw something more, a little more regular like this. That's a polygon. Okay? Stuff like that. Let's talk about convex and concave. Okay? Or non-convex. Concave is the same as non-convex. I'm going to draw you a picture of each one and show you the difference, and then we'll kind of talk about how the definitions fit that. Convex. First of all, are those words you've heard before? Yeah. No? Convex, concave? Okay. Draw something actually just like I drew up here. Okay, and then here I'm going to draw something kind of like what I drew on that other page. Okay, let's say that. Okay, so this is convex, this is non-convex. And here's why. The technical definition of convex is if I pick any 2 points on this figure, so I could pick like this point and this point, and I connect them. See how that pink line stayed inside the shape? Is there anywhere I could connect 2 points on this figure and make that pink line go outside of the shape? No. In a convex figure, every time you connect 2 points, the segment lies entirely inside the shape. Okay? So when you draw that line, it's entirely inside the shape. What about this one? See how I could draw a line like here and connect that, and that pink line is outside of the shape? So there, if you have even one line, at least one line that's outside of the figure or outside of the shape, that's when you're non-convex. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, from quadrilateral all the way down to decagon. Those are all just types of polygons. Remember we talked, what's a polygon again? A shape. Okay, so these are all just different names for shapes. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Quad, 4. Pentagon has 5. Hexagon has 6. Heptagon has 7. Octagon has 8. Nonagon has 9. Decagon has 10. What I find in those, for the most part, is the ones that people struggle with are nonagon and heptagon. Just because those are the ones you're not used to working with. Okay? Something wrong, Mike? Oh, okay. To draw that. I'm not going to make you draw it on the quiz, but let me give you a hint. Okay, let's do the hardest one. Let's do like a nonagon. Here's what I would do for a nonagon. I would draw 9 dots that are about in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let's say. Okay? Then connect them with straight lines because a polygon has straight sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a nonagon. Okay? It does not not have to be a regular nonagon. If you look them up online, probably what you're going to find pictures of are regular shapes. If a shape is regular, that means all of the sides and angles are equal. Those are the ones that were really pretty. I can't draw those either. Okay? I could not draw a regular nonagon right now if my life depended on it. But if I'm just asking you to draw me a nonagon, draw me 9 dots and connect them. And that's going to get you a nonagon. Okay? I hear you there. All right, what about circle? What did you come up with for definition of circle? I'm really curious about this. What did you write down for definition of circle? Keegan?
A shape with no edges or sides.
Okay, that is a good start. No edges or sides. If you had someone come here from another planet that had no idea what a circle was, and you said, draw me a shape with no edges or sides, do you think they would be able to draw a circle?
No.
Probably not. So it's a good start. Clayton, what did you have?
A round, plane figure. Boundary consists of point. I don't know.
Okay.
From a fixed point.
Okay. You're on the right track, but I worry that you don't understand it if you can't read it. So, Charlie?
Two-dimensional shape made by drawing a curve, always keeping the same distance from the center.
Okay, she hit a really good point there. Something about the same distance. Does someone else have one that says something about the same distance? That is key. Brooke?
Well, I have a given distance that I have.
Okay, that's kind of the same idea.
It says, instead of all points in a plane that are at a given distance from the given point.
Perfect. Okay, here's what the definition of circle actually is that probably none of you would be able to come up with on your own. I'm confident that if I were to go to any one of you and I were to say, draw a circle, you could do it. You would know what a circle was, okay? But I might not be able to draw a circle. But you would know what it was. But can you write a definition for it? Here's what a circle actually is geometrically. If you have a single fixed point, and that's what I heard a lot of those definitions saying, and see how this is a certain point, a fixed point, and you draw these little segments that are all the same size, and we're just going to pretend that I'm making them all the same size, okay? If I make them all the same size and connect all of those points together, that's going to give me a circle. So a circle is the set of all of the points that are the same distance away from that center point. And that actually becomes really important in geometry. Because anywhere you've got a circle, you know a lot about it. Because you know that all of those lines that you can draw in are the same distance, they're the same length. Okay? Symbol for a circle, by the way, is just a circle with a dot in the middle of it. And usually we put a letter there. That letter just represents whatever point that is. So if this dot was called dot A or point A, we would put an A there to say that circle was center A. How you feeling on this?